Dive into a world where spaciousness meets style and modern design harmonizes with comfort. Welcome to our latest video, Stunning Home Interiors that will define 2024, where we showcase the future of living spaces. Hi everyone, Lulu here. I'm so excited to share with you these carefully selected images of fabulous home interiors. But before starting, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on the latest trend in home decor. Now let's explore the elegance and innovation that await in the world of interior design. We are walking here into a space that instantly feels like a breath of fresh air. That's the essence of the spacious, brand new home interiors we are about to show you. With open floor plans that allow for a seamless transition between living, dining and kitchen areas, these homes are a testament to the luxury of space. Penthouses and luxurious condominiums have always been symbols of opulence, but in 2024 they are also the epitome of modern living. With panoramic views and meticulously designed layouts, these properties offer a lifestyle that's both grand and intimate. For those who crave a dynamic living experience, dual levels designs offer an exciting blend of privacy and openness. Interior staircases aren't just functional, they are sculptural elements that elevate the aesthetic of any home. Furnishing in 2024 are all about blending from form and function. The furniture pieces we've selected are not only fabulous and trendy, but also designed to support the way we live now. From modular sofas to smart tables, every item is chosen for its ability to enhance daily life. Decor in 2024 makes a statement without saying a word. Neutral color palettes serve as the perfect backdrop for bold art pieces and subtle accents, creating a harmony of colors and textures that speak to the soul. Lighting is the unsung hero of interior design, and this year's trend shines a spotlight on fabulous light fixtures. Recessed light and floor standing lamps not only illuminate but also transform spaces, casting an ambience that's both inviting and dramatic. This year's design tendencies are all about creating spaces that reflect our evolving lifestyles. Home offices are more integrated into living spaces. Biophilic design brings the outdoors in, and technology is seamlessly incorporated to enhance functionality and aesthetics. And that's it for today's video. As we wrap up our tour of the stunning home interior that will define 2024, we hope you've found inspiration and ideas to bring into your own space. Remember, your home is a canvas and you are the artist. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with your favorite design element. Until next time, keep making your home a masterpiece. Bye for now.